Generative AI Q&A. Real-time scenario-based generative AI interview questions and answers Part 1. Question 1. In your project, you used a generative AI model that sometimes produced biased outputs. How did you handle it? Answer. First, I analyzed the training data and identified potential bias sources. Applied data augmentation and rebalancing to ensure fair representation. Used bias detection tools like SHAP, LIME, or fairness metrics. Implemented human-in-the-loop review for sensitive outputs. Question 2. Suppose a generative AI chatbot starts hallucinating facts, producing wrong information. How would you reduce hallucinations? Answer. Use retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, to ground answers in verified sources. Set constraints in prompts, e.g., if unsure, say you don't know. Fine-tune on domain-specific curated data. Monitor with evaluation metrics like factual accuracy. Question 3. You are working on text-to-image generation. A client complains about irrelevant or low-quality outputs. What steps would you take? Answer. Check prompt engineering techniques, better context, constraints. Use negative prompts to exclude unwanted features. Fine-tune the model with LoRa or Dreambooth for domain-specific results. Post-process outputs with image filtering, upscaling, or quality checks. Question 4. Your generative AI model for marketing is generating plagiarized content. How do you detect and prevent this? Answer. Integrate plagiarism detection tools, e.g., Copyscape, Turnitin API. Fine-tune on original curated data instead of scraped data. Use paraphrasing techniques and human editing workflow. Apply watermarking and metadata tracking for AI-generated content. Question 5. A healthcare client wants to use generative AI for medical report summarization. How do you ensure compliance and safety? Answer. Ensure compliance with HIPAA or GDPR regulations. Use private and secure data pipelines. Apply explainability methods so doctors can verify summaries. Always keep human-in-the-loop approval before usage. Question 6. During model deployment, your generative AI is consuming too much GPU memory. How will you optimize it? Answer. Apply model quantization and pruning. Use parameter-efficient fine-tuning, PEFT, LoRa. Deploy with ONNX runtime TensorRT optimization. Use smaller distilled models for inference. Question 7. How would you evaluate the quality of a generative AI model in production? Answer. Automatic metrics, BLEU, Rouge, Perplexity, 4 text, FID score, 4 images. Human evaluation, fluency, coherence, factual correctness. A/B testing with real users. Continuous feedback loop for retraining and improvement. Question 8. You are asked to fine-tune GPT on a company's internal documents. What approach would you use? Answer. If documents are large, use RAG, retrieval-augmented generation, with embeddings. If small dataset, fine-tune with LoRa, low-rank adaptation. Ensure data preprocessing, remove duplicates, anonymize sensitive info. Deploy with API integration for employees. Question 9. How do you prevent prompt injection attacks in a generative AI system? Answer. Implement input sanitization, strip malicious instructions. Define strict system prompts that override user input. Apply content moderation filters. Continuously monitor logs for suspicious patterns. Question 10. Imagine your generative AI summarizer is deployed in a news app. Users report that it skips critical facts. How will you improve it? Answer. Adjust prompt instructions, summarize, but retain all factual details. Use extractive plus abstractive hybrid summarization. Add fact-checking module with external knowledge base. Collect user feedback and retrain iteratively. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe for more hands-on Generative AI Part 1 content. Keep learning, keep growing.